In this video, we're going to show you how to enter your high schools attended into Quadrant 2, Academic History. When you get to the High Schools Attended tab, you will see an option to add your high school. Here you want to make sure to add every high school that you attended, including high schools outside of California and outside of the US. So when you click on Add High School, you'll see that you can start by choosing the country in which the high school is located, and then you can use this search bar to search for the specific high school. I can find the city and state here, and then a list will pop up showing me schools that are located in that city and state. If for any reason my high school is not listed here, I can click on Can't Find Your School and enter the information for my high school manually. So again, if you cannot find it in the list, which you want to search in first, you can just add the information in manually. If you can find it on the list, you just want to select it and then make sure to put the dates that you attended that school. And then for the term type, you want to go based off of how many grades you received in an academic year. So if you received only 1 grade for the year, you would put full year. If you receive only 2 grades for the year, you would put semester, and that is the most common. If you received 3 grades, it would be trimester, and if you received 4 grades, it would be quarter. Again, semester is the most common you will see. And again, if you attended more than one high school, you will add the additional high schools the same exact way. Once you're done adding your high schools, you will indicate whether or not you graduated with a high school diploma, with a high school equivalency such as the GED or the California High School Proficiency Exam, also known as the CHESP, or if you do not have a diploma or high school equivalency. Please note that it is not required for transfer students to be high school graduates or to have the high school equivalency. So depending on which option applies to you, you may be asked to provide additional information. So in this case, if you graduated with a diploma, they want to know exactly when that was received. So you want to save and continue, confirm that the graduation date is correct, and then you are going to be asked about whether or not you attended any of your high school outside of the US. If you have, you will be asked to provide additional information about your academic performance there, as well as any degree or diploma you received there. And there you have it. That is how to put your high schools into quadrant number 2. The next video will show you how to add your colleges attended, as well as inputting your college coursework.